So there you have it. Best birthday present ever on a non-birthday. That's the third time I've played saxophone in the last 43 years. And the first time and second time were within the last few days. So I got a lot of work to do. All right, I'm Guy McPherson of Nature Bats Last, which you can find at guymcpherson.com. It's Friday, March 5th, and I'm going to provide an update as the markets close for the week. I'm going to provide an overview of what happened earlier in the week with a focus on the three indexes in the United States. All right, going back to Monday, at Business Insider, big short investor Michael Burry slams Bitcoin as a speculative bubble and says a crash is coming. And a couple of hours after that, at Yahoo Finance, this closely watched stock market indicator nears a sell signal. And that specific indicator is what's called the Buffett indicator for Warren Buffett. Then on Tuesday, from CNN Business, China is sounding the alarm about a global market bubble. So it seems like everybody's getting in on the bubble action. From Wednesday, it's madness. American factories scramble to secure critical supplies. That from NPR, because supply lines are being disrupted all around the country and all around the world. It's a mess out there. From Globe and Mail, the Globe and Mail, NASDAQ tumbles to correction territory after Powell comments. This was Thursday, yesterday, and the Powell in question is Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve in the United States. Yahoo News weighs in also yesterday, the mother of all stock market bubbles. That's quite a headline. The mother of all stock market bubbles. And of far greater importance from the Washington Post comes this headline, butterflies are vanishing out west, scientists say. Climate change is to blame. Because in this society, there has to be somebody to blame. Notice scientists say, as if it's some sort of opinion at stake here, not based on evidence at all. So scientists say, and then in the next line, climate change is to blame. It's almost as if the scientists are to blame for reporting the valid information. Never heard of that approach before. From last night, at Bloomberg, U.S. states can't resist reopening despite daunting case counts. Yes, daunting to say the least. People are dying by the thousands. People are getting sick by the millions, literally. And the states are going to open anyway because the dollar is really what matters. In this society, that's always been what's mattered. The Wall Street Journal, S&P 500 on track for third week of declines led by tech. That's from early this morning as U.S. stock futures fell this morning going in to the open of the markets in the United States. Finally, from CNBC right at the close, Dow jumps 500 points in wild reversal as economic comeback plays rally. Huge comeback, down 100 at the open, up more than 500 at the close. In fact, the Dow finished up 558 plus today. The NASDAQ and S&P 500 follow suit, but only the Dow is positive this week. The other two indices, the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, finished down for the third week in a row. So there you have it. Sometimes it's up, then down. Sometimes it's down, then up. The barons on Wall Street will be pleased today. Have a great weekend, everybody.